Hello, welcome. It's me again. I am teaching Python today. Yeah, don't ask me why. So, before we go into Python, let's talk about some facts regarding Python. That's what this whole video is about. So, let's divide this video into these. Alright, I'm going to start. First off, origin and naming. Now, Python was created by this dude. His name is Guido van Rossum. Now, here's something. The computer language isn't named after the snake, but this comedy group called Monty Python. Why? Was he a fanboy of the group? No. He went, oh, I want a name that is unique and mysterious. Python, high level and interpreted. Python is a high level, general purpose and interpreted programming language. You don't understand that? Well, here's a picture. You don't understand that? Let me explain. You see, first off, C++. You can see that this line is the line that's telling the program to display hello world. But you got all that steps, all that rubbish before executing. Now let's look at Java. You see, this line is the line that's telling the program to display hello world. But you got all these rubbish before executing. Okay, now what about Python? Print hello world. That's it. No, actually that's it. Readability and simplicity. I mean, just look at it. At least take a look at the main code line. Python is much simpler and more understandable too. Versatility. What is versatility? Well, basically it's the ability to adapt. Now, Python is a multi-purpose language using wide array of applications, including web development, for example, Django and Flask. Then you can use it for data analysis. For example, I don't know, pandas, artificial intelligence and machine learning, like for example, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, PyTorch, etc. Then you can use it for scientific computing, automation, and much more. Extensive libraries. Python boasts a vast collection of libraries and frameworks that simplify development for various tasks. From numerical computation, like for example NumPy, SciPy, to data visualizations like Matplotlib, and machine learning, scikit-learn. There's much more. There's even SimPy.
Oh, hell no, man.
Why
What the
not?
fuck, man?
Compatibility. Python is a portable language. It is capable of running on various operating systems like, for example, Windows, Mac, and different Unix and Linux distributions. We will learn Python in the next video. Hopefully there is a next video. Bye. You're still here? Just get off the video, man, I swear.